used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the no sitting loud. The sin is like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up.
Hey, my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. One moment. Okay, there we go. It is CC, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a product review. I am really, really excited about this. I've been wanting to try this and to review something like this for a while. So I was really excited to review this product. This is the Pro Wax 100. It says it warms all type of wax, includes extra aluminum container, which I didn't know it was extra, y'all. But anyway, see-through cover prevents contamination, wax contamination. So let me show you the product and what it comes with. And I did try it out this morning. Okay, I will show you before and after looks. Actually, I just did one arm. Okay, but anyway, it comes with these wax beads. And this is the one I use. This is a full wax bead container. So the wax comes to about here when it's all settled. Okay, so it comes to there. And this is the one, again, that I use. And I'm just going to tell you, I have never, ever been waxed. Okay, never. So I wasted some of this. So it's really, really, this is a great, awesome deal. Okay, and it comes with 4 of the wax, the little wax bead packages. Now, they don't have any scents to them or anything. I don't know. They all say the same thing. So as far as I know, they don't have any scents. Okay, this says hair removal wax without the strip. So these are for uses without the strip, which I didn't use the strip. I do have some strips, but I actually don't know what I did with it. But anyway, you get 4 of the bags of beads, okay? You get a package of these sticks. I don't know how many's in here, but these are the popsicle sticks. You can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1, okay? So, and it comes with the directions. And this is the actual little wax machine, okay? And I had it set on 210. I started out, I put it on 180. The beads weren't melting that good, so I went on ahead and put it on 210. Now, I probably could turn it up to 230, which I will do when I finish my waxing. As you can see, you might be able to see it's wax on the little container. So this is the top they were talking about. This is the removable, what do you call it? What did they say? This is the extra aluminum pan, and I actually put the wax in here. Okay, so I'm assuming you could put the wax directly in here, which I don't know how to get this out. I don't see any way to get this out. So for me, I would just use the little aluminum pan, and it is some wax in here. And it's starting to solidify because I was using it. Okay, let me say this. It is not a bad process. Okay, if you have never been waxed before and you want to go to the professionals, go ahead. It's not a bad process, you guys. I'm a wuss. What I did, I put some powder on there on my arms because what I read the directions. It also comes with directions, and there are directions on the back of the wax beads. So I Googled it first. Before I ever did anything, I Googled it. And so I got kind of comprehended the process. And then I read the directions that came with it and the ones on the back of the wax beads. So it's a simple process. You heat your wax up, you let it melt. I'm not going to do this on camera because, again, I'm a wuss. And plus, I'm doing it myself. I don't have anyone here to help me. But you melt your beads. You take the stick and you put it on. This is the armpit I did, you guys. And I mean, it's smooth. It's smooth. And they say that the process of waxing lasts longer than shaving or hair removal. And I'm going to lean toward the fact that it will, because the hair, when you pull the wax out, the hair comes off with the wax. And you can see like that hair root. And, you know, if you remove, when you pull hair out by the root, it actually has to create that follicle and move and grow out. So it probably does last longer. This is what my armpit looked like before. This is after. I'm very satisfied with the results. I may still have a strand or two left on there. I'm not finna, I'm good. I'm okay with this. I'm really good. It's smooth. It's very smooth. I can feel like just very little stubble, but it's much smoother than with hair removal and with shaving, because, you know, I'm a hair remover girl. I use hair remover, but my results from doing the waxing are much smoother. And I will update in some video. I'm not going to say what video. I will update and let you know how long it actually lasted. I'm not planning on doing no eyebrows. I'm definitely not going to do no Brazilian. That's something I will stick with my own process. And, but the product is very good. I'm very happy with my results. I'm really, really happy and excited to have this. To be honest with you, the process is quicker than, the hair removal. It's quicker. I don't have the irritation that I sometimes get if I'm got the hair remover on and I'm fussing at the kids or whatever, and it starts to burn. I don't have that irritation. If the wax is on there and you leave it on there for however long, it's just hard to wax. So it's probably going to, you know, just snatching the hair out. So I'm very, very satisfied. Absolutely love this product. I'm very happy with the wax that they sent with me. They sent with it. I will include the price right here, and I will annotate where you can order this from down below. Like I said, it's a great value because for me, I also did under here. I get little stray hairs under here. And I do not like shaving because shaving will leave marks, and the hair removal will also irritate me sometimes. And I get eczema on my neck. Okay, so if you can see this little band right here, that's where I get eczema at. And so I really don't like to do anything to irritate my neck or to you know, I don't like to put foreign stuff on my neck because of my eczema. So, yeah. Anywho, like I said, it's an awesome, awesome product, you guys. With summer coming in, because, you know, you can get away with not doing your Brazilian, okay? Let me just put it like that. You can get away with not doing your Brazilian. That's between you and your man or your girl, whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat. But in the summertime, I don't know about y'all, but it's hot. And I don't like nothing on, really, basically. I would love to just go strapless or tank top for the entire summer. And sometimes if you use hair remover, you got to let it grow out enough for the hair to remove it. And somebody commented on my eyebrow video about my armpit hair. I'm like, shoot, you need to see me now because I look like Planet of the Apes. But like I said, it's a good product. I don't have a problem with it. Much quicker than the hair remover. If you want to check it out, it's reasonable to me, especially for all that you get. And truthfully, unless you're just shaving, hair remover is expensive. If you're going to get waxed, I don't know. I've seen the different prices at when I go to the, when I go past the nail shop or whatever, because the one in Walmart, I think it's like $15 or $20 pop when you go to the nail shop to get waxed. Like I said, I'm not messing with no eyebrows. I don't do that. I will continue to go to the Indians and let them thread me. But as far as my underarms and under here, yeah, I'll go ahead on and throw some wax on there. I don't know about the Brazilian yet. When I do my update, if I decide to try that out, I will let you know. But for right now, my mind is saying stick with what you know when it comes to the Brazilian. Okay, so with that, I want you ladies to have a beautiful, blessed day. Men too, y'all can wax too. Y'all can wax. Go ahead. Try the Brazilian. You might get a little bit more attention. But anyway, I want you to have a beautiful, blessed day. Remember to be your own kind of beautiful and tell somebody you love them. Don't wait too late. Later.